Maybe the happy ending is you continuing to be the soft, loving person that you are, despite the way the world has tried to defeat you. Maybe it is a calm nervous system, a peacefulness that cannot be threatened. Maybe the happy ending is you moving on, is you giving yourself the love you never got, but always wanted. Maybe the happy ending is you embracing change, is you going in the direction of the things that grow you and move you and magnate your spirit. Sometimes we have to remind ourselves that we are not responsible for other people's poor behavior towards us, or their gaslighting, or their manipulation, or their unkindness. That's on them. What's on you is how you choose to respond, to set boundaries, know your worth, and not let their actions impact the beautiful soul that you are. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats, so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can still come out of it.